Celebrating the 30th press season, IBS e.MAX Southeast Asia Photography Contest 2021 invites you to win the grand prize. Total grand prize more than $100,000 for 6 countries in Southeast Asia, 6 units of EP3010 new generation, plus 6 units of VP5 and many more. You will be eligible to get free virtual master course worth for $4,500 if you are registering IBS e.MAX Southeast Asia Photography Contest before 30th of June 2021. Follow our social media to get live update and submit your best photos. Making people smile is what we do, so join and win it. e.MAX, smile to the max.